Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set screen timeout on Realme C67 device. To set when the device screen will automatically turn off, here you can do the following steps. First of all, please open the settings menu. And then here you can select display option. Okay, after that here you can select the screen timeout option. And then please select one of the options provided between 15 seconds to 30 minutes. And then here I will set my device timeout at 5 minutes. So my device screen will be turned off over 5 minutes of non-use. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set the screen timeout on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.